Hi friends, today I am discussing about the calculation of the power load. See here, 6 amp sockets. Therefore, the power load is 6 amps load plus 16 amperes load plus 20 ampere sockets. That means load means the socket. Therefore, the total power load will be 2400 plus 1500 plus 1000 equal to 4009. Sorry here, mistake here. 5385. 5385 watts. 6 amp socket in the living room, 5 number 6 amp sockets, and bedroom 1 number 6 amp socket, that is the independent socket. In this, and bath plus WC equal to 2 number 6 amps load power. Already I have discussed about in this previous class where we put on the 6 amps load, why we are using 6 amps load. See in this previous class. Now the kitchen is 4 number 6 amps load, then the total load will be 6 amp socket. Each 6 amp socket will load give as for the standard 200 given. I am giving 200 equal to 12, we will get 2400 watts. Now the 16 ampere socket, 116 ampere sockets nearly according to the standard we have to given 500 to 1500 watts. I am giving is 1 6 amp socket equal to 500 watts, totally 3 numbers, so we have to total how much we will get 1500 watts. And now going to the 25 ampere socket. In this 25 ampere socket, for I am using AC. I have, as for the standards, 1000 to 120 square feet area requires 1 ton AC. As for the room dimensions, we how much 148 square feet in this room dimensions, so therefore I am considering is 1.23 TR. So select the 1.5 TR AC for one bedroom as it is available in the market. For 1 TR the wattage will be 1400 watts. So therefore 1.5 TR AC, then the wattage will be 2100 watts. I am giving 2000 watts. So therefore 1.5 TR is available in this flat. Now next so therefore the total load is 6 amps. This is the lightning load, and this is the sorry, in this previous class that is correct one. Totally we will get 5385 watts, 5000. Then they consider as the maximum demand of 60% load, 1500. So sorry, here 490 watts is correct. See here, total this is lightning load 485. 485 is in this previous class I have discussed 485 lightning load. This is the power load. Therefore the total load will be 5385 watts. So we have to consider the maximum demand of 60% load. So how much 60%? Now 5385 into 0.6, we will get 3231 watts for the use of energy meter. Thank you friends. Next class I will discuss about the conduit pipe in this flat. See here how to put on the conduits in this single bedroom flat. Thank you friends.